Hello everyone. So if you are in Mangalore and you are tired of going to beaches, you really need to watch this video till end of it, and because it contains most adventurous places in and around Mangalore. So starting with things you can do in Mangalore, first you can go to bowling with your friends. It's really fun. So there are two places you can go. First is city center. It's cheaper but the lanes are not that much good. So you can go to Fizza Mall. It's very nice but it's a bit expensive. Like not much, but second you can go to poetry classes. It's really fun. I haven't gone there yet but it's on my list. So when I go I'll share my experience. Now the most interesting and adventurous part will start. So I'll start with Adyar Falls. So it's the first place we have gone there as a group and it was really fun. We took the bus from Jyoti Circle. So it's preferred to go during rainy season, otherwise you will not get that much water. And go in the morning, like you can take bus around 6 to 7 a.m. Only took us half an hour to go there and it's small trek, and then you go down and there's a waterfall. It's really nice and you can take your extra clothes if you wanna like go under the waterfall. So it's really fun. It's worth going there because you also have a viewpoint there, so you can sit and chill with your friends. And also it's not like, it doesn't take that much time to go and spend time, so it's around in total 3 to 4 hours and you can go and come back. Next is Mulki. So you can take local bus, or as many of my classmates rented scooty and they went to Mulki, and you can do kayaking there. It's really nice. So prefer going in the evening, like 4:30 to 5:30 aisa wala batch, and it's really fun. So you can have a like nice day out with your friends on scooty and then you can do kayaking there. Next, as we are in Mangalore, so we can also explore Manipal and Udupiwala area. So we went to do kayaking there. It was really fun. So you can take bus from here to Manipal and then you can take auto to the kayaking wala place. It's really nice. And after kayaking, or you can go to mangrove forest there. So the kayaking place, people only takes you from the boat there, and there you can also swim. So you can take your another extra clothes and there you have changing room, etc, etc. It was really fun there. And if you are going to Manipal for this, you can also stop by at Harika for having the best food ever. For more details about this place and to contact the person, I'll add my Instagram reel. I have added all the information there. So in Manipal you also have Hanging Bridge. Also you can go to St. Mary's Island from Malpe Beach, but I doesn't feel like that's worth it because it takes like 600 rupees per person from Malpe Beach to St. Mary Island. So we didn't go abhi tak and I don't think we'll go. So if you wanna go, you can really explore that part. Seventh is Someshwar Beach. So we went there. I shooted all the information and all our experience in this video, so you can go check this out. Next is Konajarkallu trek. It was really adventurous and really fun. So I've added all the information and I have vlogged all my experience in this video. You can go check this out also. Last is Bekal Fort. We went there recently. I didn't like that place much because it's like historic fort, and also it was so sunny that day and we couldn't go to beach also because the fort is there and nearby fort you have a beach. So we only had the view of beach from the fort. It was like good experience, not nice. So if you really want to go and explore that part also, and you like fort visit etc, so you can really go there. It was also nice. So we took bus from Jyoti Circle and then we went to Kerala ka koi point and then we changed another bus. So if you really want information about this, comment down below. I'll add all the information there. So these are the few places I explored other than beaches, and also if you have visited another places, do comment down below. And thanks for watching. Bye. Hello everyone. So if you are in Mangalore and you are tired of going to beaches, you really need